the light has come. Something that accompanies forgiveness is pure relaxation. Like, quite literally. I mean, it's like amazing. It's absolutely wonderful. But in all seriousness, it really, quite literally, is a relaxation of your muscles, a relaxation of your bones, a relaxation of your mind, a relaxation of your spirit, a relaxation of all of this stuff. And that is what I would associate in the sense of what peace is. And it's actually the absence of emotion, the absence of really any sort of identification with association to experience of this reality. Like, emotions are usually associated to some sort of existence in the same way as your body is. So in the sense of, if you really are in this place of forgiveness, you actually have your absence of reaction, your absence of attraction or aversion to anything. So at any time when this is really referring to temptation, to reiterate again, is that to take up temptation is to react. So to whatever degree of reaction, it makes no difference. It could be just the smallest reaction. And really, this is an opportunity to continue to forgive and to choose again to forgive. Okay, so a lot of this lesson can seem kind of in the positive affirmation kind of realm about the light has come. Okay, you might be like, yeah, the light has come. Oh, great. Oh, what are you talking about? The light has come. This place is beep. So at the same time, it's like speaks in as if it actually has come, as well as it's coming. In that sense. So that is more of the positive affirmation side. So, but in the sense of recognizing what this is about, is the fact that you can recognize that the light has come, but you have to really continue to choose that. So you go on to a next moment, next thing you know, you're just upset about something bothers you. That's the temptation. You reacted. So your emotional response means reaction. Okay, it's acting out, it's responding to. Okay, that means the only way you can register that you have an emotion is the fact that you think it's different than any sort of other emotion or other thoughts or other ideas or other body feelings or anything. Just like you go for good feelings, it's because you register that it's a separate feeling from bad feelings, right? Those are pretty obvious. Bad feelings make you feel bad. Good feelings make you feel good. These are both lies. So in the actuality of what, say, the world is, and see, I know, it's pretty intense. To see the world as it really has been, as it really has been promised you since the beginning of time, is literally talking about the illuminated transparent reality. The illuminated transparent reality is neither good or bad. It is transparent. It is not in the realm of opposition. You see a physical world of opposition because it mirrors what's going on in here. So yes, you have to recognize that the light has come. This means that the job is done. Okay, the job is done. I can relax. Oh, I'm getting upset. Wait, salvation has come. The light has come. This job is done. I can be at peace right now instead. Like, I can be at peace. Total and complete relaxation right now. And that doesn't mean you have to lay down to that. It's kind of like this. Going through the whole process of forgiveness, it literally is choosing not to react or respond to anything anymore. So when you have someone, I mean, that's how, even going to my death experience, like my partner traveling with at the time just comes blabbling in when I'm trying to meditate. Blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, ugh. And then I'm like, oh. Because I just see it as opportunity. Opportunity to forgive. Now, of course, my life is totally different now. In the sense, I was actually trying to get out of the world. I was coming trying to know myself. I know myself now. I know who I am now. So if you're trying to know yourself, yes, you have to forgive. You can't hold grievances and to know yourself? No. It literally blocks it. It keeps you attached to this idea that you're a body. It keeps you stressed out. It keeps you tense, in pain. Okay? Every sensation you feel is an opportunity to train your mind to finding peace and willing that the truth is known to you. It's an opportunity. It's not a suffering. It's an opportunity. So yes, you're on this side, you don't know. So you have to take those opportunities. You have to choose it. You have to want it. You have to actually go towards it. Right? You have to embrace it. You can't just say it or say, oh no, this is heaven. This is heaven. It's like, yes, this is heaven, but you don't see it. You don't see what the heaven is. You're not seeing what the heaven is. Yes, this is heaven, but you're misunderstanding it. You're distorting reality into something it's not. That's why forgiveness is the answer, because forgiveness is surrendering the distortion of your reality. I mean, like discouragement or upset about this, or I can't get this. These are reactions. And so these are opportunities, again, to recognize that if you relax, you don't know and don't care if you are misunderstanding this. And guess what? If you're finding relaxation, as I'm doing now, you are understanding it. You are literally choosing to understand it. That's what the light has come is all about. It's like, your light has come. I know who I am. Nothing can disturb me unless I want to be disturbed.